Very much. Hari Om, Umma ji.
हाँ हरि ओम बोलिए
Hari
बोलिए
Om.
कृष्णा जी
Yeah, I heard that story. मैंने सुनी आपने जो भेजी थी.
हाँ
Very
ओ वो
nice.
सुनी आपने धर्मवाद वाली
Yeah,
स्टोरी
yeah, yeah. Whatever you send, I listen to them.
सो
तो
आपको
उसमें है ना, देखो पूरी गीता में भी बोलता है मनुष्य कर्म किए बिगर नहीं रह सकता है.
राइट
एक पल भी नहीं रह सकता है कर्म किए बिगर. बट कर्म जब भी वो फेथ से करता है, सिंसियरिटी से, विश्वास श्रद्धा से, तो इट बिकम्स अ भक्ति.
करेक्ट
Then that lady, she was doing seva, but still she knew everything about the sannyasi. तो बोलते हैं ना, ज्ञान, knowledge and bhakti go together. They are not separate.
राइट वेरी ट्रू
Yeah, they go together. जो भी कर्म हो रहा है, अगर भक्ति करके हो रहा है, अपने को जांच करते जाएं कि उसमें कुछ भी मैं पना तो नहीं आ रहा है.
राइट
And that humbleness makes you this thing, वो आनंद में रहने देता है.
ट्रू ट्रू इसीलिए लोग कभी कभी ना बहुत सिंपल काम होता है उनका, मगर वो इतना मन से और इतना करते हैं.
मनुष्य वो जुड़ सकता है, कहाँ भी बैठा है
या कहीं भी बैठा हो.
क्योंकि जो भी सन्यास भी लेते हैं उनको भी सबकी जरूरत पड़ती है. कपड़े की पड़ेगी, खाने की पड़ेगी, जो भी पड़ेगी. स्पेशली ये लेडीज जो हमको मिला है जन्म, लेडीज चोला मिला है, जो बॉडी, वी आर वेरी सेफ एट होम इन गृहस्थ में. आंट वी सेफ. बोलते हैं ना, भगवान अपने घर की छत छोड़ के तुमको क्यों जाना है बाहर.
True. I know some of them say like, you know, like it was.
संन्यास तो कपड़ों से नहीं लेना है ना. संन्यास तो इट्स ऑल इंटीरियर, मन की बात है. ये कितना विरक्त है.
Yeah. I think it was Sarvapriyananji who, if you guys hear him, then sometimes in his talks he will say that when he joined the mutt, you know, so he said मेरे को लगा कि अच्छा अभी तो you know सब घर गृहस्थी की चीजें छोड़ दी है वगैरह वगैरह. So he said सबसे पहला काम मुझे दिया उन्होंने कि ये स्कूल चलाओ बच्चों का. तो बोले मैं तो घर गृहस्थी छोड़ के आया था, 1-2 भाई बहन, यहाँ पर 25 उद्दंड बच्चे.
नहीं, पर मठ में जाने के बाद भी जो गृहस्थी होते हैं ना, when they are ready, the guru sends them back to their home. मेरे मौसा थे, he was a big doctor in India. वो चले गए घर छोड़ के बिना बताए. He went into Himalayas and then he was in the Shivananda ashram in Rishikesh. Nobody knew from home where he is. But after he was ready, Guru told him, now you go. आपके फर्ज हैं, ड्यूटीज है, आपके 2 छोटे बच्चे हैं, बेटा है, बेटी है. मैं मौसी was staying with her in-laws. The Guru ने उनको वापस भेजा. बोला जाके अभी तू अपनी वो हॉस्पिटल चला. He named also that hospital in Gandhidham, Divine Hospital. उसके शिवानंदे के नाम से कर दी अपनी हॉस्पिटल. और वहाँ सबसे पहले सत्संग करते थे और फिर जाके सेवा करते थे without taking any profit from the hospital.
Amazing.
तो गुरु ने उनको बोला वापस जाओ अपने गृहस्थ में. अपनी जो ड्यूटीज है वो जाके पूरी करो.
ट्रू. आई थिंक चिन्मयानंद जी के भी बारे में मैंने सुना था कि
मठ नहीं छुड़ाता है घर.
राइट. अगर छुड़ाता भी है तो वो परमिशन से कि भाई घर गृहस्थी ठीक है ना उनके बिना. बिकॉज लाइक आई रिमेम्बर कि
विरक्त की एज है तो उस हिसाब से भाई कोई है घर संभालने वाला.
राइट कोई होना चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली. तो सो चिन्मयानंद जी का मैंने ये सुना था कि जब शिवानंद जी ने उनको संन्यास दिया ना, तो ही सेड गेट अ लेटर फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स that it's okay for you to take sannyas. Because he was from a good, like a rich family, relatively like upper middle class. So they didn't have a financial issue and things like that. So some other people were there to take care of the parents, but he didn't want कि वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के भाग के आए. So you are so true that घर गृहस्थी को जबरदस्ती छोड़ के.
Faith in God helps a lot. Yeah.
Very good. Anybody else?
Hari Om, everyone. Hari Om, Manju Sant. Hari Om.
Joe is saying something. Joe, go ahead.
One related story. So I I had the experience through Satyanand Saraswati. He was also a disciple of Sivanand.
अच्छा.
तो उन्होंने उसमें लिखा कि he used to work for Hindustan Times just like Chinmayanand ji used to do. Chinmayanand was Hindustan Times reporter. So he stayed in Rishikesh long time, and he said ये तो कुछ काम नहीं कराते मेरे से, ऐसे ही बेकार इधर उधर की काम करा रहे हैं, तो I'm going to leave. So just the time he was ready to leave, he told him, no, you cannot leave, you have to stay here. And उनको रखा, and फिर वो मुंगेर चले गए. तो मुंगेर में उन्होंने बोला तुम वहां जाओ और वहां पे एक आश्रम तुम करना सेटअप. तो वो गए वहां पे मुंगेर में, and then he said the day he died, Sivanand ji, he appeared to him and he said you have to expand these ashrams all over the world. तो वो कहते हैं मैं तो he was trying to work on that he can appear remotely somewhere else. He was doing sadhana for that. And he said ये सब छोड़ो, तुम्हें आश्रम करने हैं. So he said next day morning में there was this industrialist named Goenka was sitting in his office, and he said we want to give you some land to establish you to set up the ashram.
Yep. Yeah.
And they ended up setting up 2,400 ashrams all over the world.
Yeah.
So that's the way it works.
सी भगवान का काम जब होता है ना तो हर जगह से लोग आके हेल्प करते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता है. चिन्मयानंद जी के भी आश्रम्स की स्टोरीज ऐसी बहुत है कि यू नो लाइक दे सेड वो सब जो लोग मैनेजिंग कमेटी वगैरह में होते हैं, जैसे कहाँ से आएगा फंड्स एंड ये वो, सडनली सम अनोनिमस डोनर कम्स एंड गिव्स some big amount and it's done. The work is done. And the personal experience I had was in Dehradun, there is one Himalayan Institute. And there is a medical college also there right now. And Swami Rama ka ke naam pe hai, right? So वहाँ पर हम लोग, my husband got invited few times to give lecture over there, and actually the director is a good friend of ours over there. So I know a lot of stories from there. So they said कि उनके जो भक्त थे ना, उन दिनों वो एक जंगल था वहाँ पे. So he's saying that we were walking with Swami Rama and he took us for a walk, and then he just was walking and he said यहाँ पर होगा इंस्टीट्यूट और यहाँ होगा मेडिकल स्कूल. एंड बोले हम सब ऐसे आंखें फाड़ फाड़ के उनको देख रहे हैं. व्हाट इज ही टॉकिंग अबाउट? इज ही लाइक जोकिंग और समथिंग? इट्स अ जंगल एंड ही सेइंग यहाँ पर स्कूल होगा, यहाँ पर. ही सेड ही वाज जस्ट सेइंग लाइक दैट ओनली. Within 10 years both the things were there, you know. And this friend of ours who we know, he was one of the first doctors over there. You know, he's a cancer specialist for head and neck, and he said he had a job in Mumbai as a young doctor, and he was not feeling satisfied at all. And somehow I don't know exact story, but he ended up, and Swami Rama told him, you come and start this over here. He was one of the initial person, and then he said to his wife, तू मेरी डॉक्टर बनेगी. And she said, मैं बनूंगी? I'm a housewife, you know. And believe it or not, today she is. You know. And she said after having 2 kids, she went into the medical school over there. And it took her a long time to finish, and she did. Because blessing from, the great soul. Or he had the vision, or whatever you want to call it. These are true stories that people told me. And they are jite jate log who we know. Unbelievable, you know. This is subtle world is just unbelievable.
Actually, it just falls in your lap.
Yeah, if like that's exactly what it means, that we vrunute. God will reveal itself, or it will choose you if you choose him.
Yes.
He will make it happen.
You know, Joe, the ashram you mentioned, remember you told me to go to Munger when I started yoga?
Yeah.
Yeah, then I went to Munger, met Niranjan ji and everybody.
Right. I also went there. I was there a week.
I thought it was very good.
Yeah.
I mean, I really enjoyed those 15 days that I was there.
Right.
And there are these other interesting experiences, like I have gone to this one place, it's called Vivekananda Yoga Institute in the suburbs of Bangalore. We stayed there for, I went with my son, we stayed there for about 2 weeks. And one day, we opened the door and cobra was there, like this.
Oh my God.
But my son was like young. He was like maybe 16, 17. He got really excited. Wow, cobra, I gotta take a picture. I want to show I said, Pagal, just let's go inside. It will bite us and we'll die. We got so scared. And then later on, when we told them, they said, don't worry, no cobra has ever bitten anybody in this ashram. Don't go and engage with it. Just leave them alone. They're not going to do anything to you. We had to just faith करना पड़ता है उसके बाद. But they said, yeah, इतनी सुबह Om chanting होती है for hours. And then the whole thing was spiritual. They were doing Om chanting, doing, what you call sadhana, meditation, yoga. It's a yoga institute, So we just have to believe. Otherwise, you won't be able to sleep. Right?
Actually, that's how the cobras are attracted to it.
Possible, but हम लोग को तो वो इंटरनेट वगैरह से ये ना कोबरा ने अगर तुमको काट लिया तो राम नाम सत immediately, but that's how we know. But the truth is, in animal kingdom, they don't hurt you if you don't hurt them. If you have good thoughts about them, they're not going to bother you. If you have fear, you have all that negative thoughts about them, then, or if you try to get into their territory, or they feel threatened by you, or their children are threatened by you, then they come after you. Otherwise, they don't. और इंडिया में तो यहाँ पर तो जू देखने के लिए जाना पड़ता है जू में. वहां पर तो हर जगह जू है. Especially when you go to small places. Like all the animals का kingdom है वहां पे तो. You are the secondary as a human. You go to all these Hanuman mandirs, in Ayodhya. I don't know, Ayodhya has changed now. Way back then when I went, there were more monkeys than humans there. Nobody उसको कोई रोक टोक नहीं लगाता उनको जहाँ बैठना है बैठेंगे, जो खाना है खाएंगे वो लोग. एंड उनको तो हनुमान जी का रूप में देखते हैं वो लोग. It just, the culture is so incredible, different corners of it. And there's some mandir where the chuhas are rule over there. Have you heard of it in Maharashtra?
Yeah.
And वो मतलब प्रसाद ना वहाँ रख देते हैं, चूहे खाते हैं उसमें से, फिर लोग ह्यूमंस लोग वहाँ से उठा के खाते हैं because they feel it's a divine chuhas. We coming from America will freak out and say, I don't want to do this. But those people who have faith, they do it and they don't get sick either. कुछ नहीं होता उनको. Unbelievable. Anyway, anybody else has anything interesting to share?
That's why cobra and snakes or gyan दोनों एक साथ जाते हैं. Even Sadhguru is always same with cobras.
Really? Yeah.
Sadhguru, any picture that you see,
he's with a cobra.
So many cobras he can just take a cobra and handle a snake anyway.
Amazing.
His childhood.
Yeah. Amazing. See, we kind of grew up in a very different atmosphere where all these things, we are taught to fear them, That's the problem. But like right now in my front, I have 2 hills on like either side as a front yard. And there are thousands of bees because there are small white flowers blooming. And there has to be some bee ka chhatta around my house. And they have been there for like a long time. So when you are walking over there, they look so many bees, but they never attack you. You just leave them alone. वो अपना nectar ले रही है. So first I thought, oh God, itni sari bee hai, what do I? No, leave them alone. And it's been like, whatever, many, many months now. Not even a single one has come inside or anything, But at one time I could say I'll be very scared. So if you just leave nature alone, they really don't bother you. Because this is part of the whole system, So I guess if nobody has anything more to share, we can close.
Okay.
We'll see you next time, everybody. Stay healthy, happy. Hari Om, everyone.
Hari Om.